Hello again, boys and girls. Today we're out here with a, what is this? It's a Sanyo M7000. As I was out here earlier today, so let me, let's see here. Okay, so I got that going. Alright, so here, let me zoom out. Alright. Zoom out. Okay, so today is, like I said, it's 1805, Saturday, June 9, 2018. There we go. And this is the landline, that's the cell phone. Okay, there we go. So now we got that going on. So I still need this one. Put this back in its holder. Okay. And then, a few days ago, let's see here. There we go. I serviced this radio, so take you through those little pictures. Let's see, focus, come on. There we go. There's that. It's the back of it, the top of it, the screws, how it comes apart. There. Alright, more screws. Put a new belt in. Oh, that was it. Okay. So, yeah. Turn that off. Alright. So now, earlier today, like I said before in the previous video, I cut the stump down and made it nice and flat. So there's the remnants of the stump that I cut down. And as I'm making this video, the radio that you see down here on the stump behind, I shot earlier, is actually uploading right now. Okay, so the radio is playing. I'm standing about 15 feet away. Let me play you a tape. Alright? Okay, so radio's on, so
a celebration to last throughout the year. Everybody supposed to feel the end. The perfect crafts.
flip to the AM. So here's that.
Los labios de mis hermanos, usa, Padre bendito, como
The place of your choice. You could do it from your home. Heck, you could do it from the beach, a coffee shop, anywhere you have internet or Wi-Fi. You're going to be in business. Today we're going to share with you how you can do that. You're in the right place at the right time. I guarantee you that. So write this number down now. 888-788-17.
Okay, well, I'm talking to the, just recorded a little bit off the radio, so I'm talking to the tuner end of this thing, and then if I step in front of the whole thing, talk over here at the uphill side of the end that has the expand, stereo, and mono, along with this right here, and then like that. Okay, so now let's rewind it back to 0. Go, hit play.
You're in the right place at the right time. I guarantee you that. So write this number down now. 888-788-17.
Okay, well, I'm talking to the, just recorded a little bit off the radio, so I'm talking to the tuner end of this thing, and then if I step in front of the whole thing, and talk over here at the uphill side of the end that has the expand, stereo, and mono, along with this right here, and then like that. Okay, so now let's alright, so it records, doesn't record terribly well, but it does. Play you a little bit of, mind you, this only works on 4C battery, so it's only a 6 volter, so it's not going to get very loud. There's some Genesis. And of course, everybody wants to play the happy digital craft music through one of these, so we get some digital craft music. Alright. And while I'm figuring that out, I'll come back here and wide out some. Alright, so let's see here, wide out. Whoops, the other way. Always do that. Why? Okay, so hit that. Wait, we didn't hit play, that's right. Forgot to hit the play button. Okay, and then, no, I don't want that. I hit this phone. Okay, that. Rock. It's not real good. Let's see here. Band on the Run. Okay. What else? Don't Stop.
Yeah. My friends will always.
Okay, nah. Eye of the Tiger. And there goes that. That's why I hate this thing. Okay. Come on, get out of there. I don't care. I don't want to connect to the internet. Yeah, okay, go back. Here, let's get out of here. Let's try what? Soul. Where is that? The Freak? No, I was looking for something else. I thought it was in here. Here, no. Yeah. Damn it. Alright, just, well, anyway, you understand it works. Alright, I don't want to spend all day, all night with this. I'm going to take the camera off of this thing and let's see here. Just walk it over here to this. So that's what it looks like. Works pretty well. Okay, this thing keeps doing that. I don't care. Thermostat, Wi-Fi setup. That's just what I need. Yeah, okay. Turn off. Alright, so hit stop. Radio.
You know, while day trading has made a lot of people into millionaires, there's also a lot of people that have...
Okay, I've had too much fun like that. Let me just do this. I'll take this thing off of the tree stump, which I cut today, and put it down here and next to the, let's see here. Okay, here we go. So, get that out of the way. See how this is, okay, with the, like that. So it's actually shorter. The 7000 is actually shorter than the 6900, which is what this is. This is the Sanyo that I made a video about earlier today. This one's got the, anyway, so just thought I'd show it to you like that. This one works. Has a pretty good sound. This one has, you know, the expand, whereas this one does not. This is missing that, but you already know that. Okay, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Too much fun out here. Bye-bye.